आमचो MP South Goa's Captain Viriato Fernandes. Even during his elections, I remember the way Amit Patkar stood his ground, the way he fought for him. There were a lot of odds. Amit Patkar, definitely along with the other team who fought for Mr. Viriato Fernandes, Amit Patkar played a vital role in saying that I am the president. जर तुम्ही माझ्या ऐकना जाल्यार there is no point. And he stood firm on his ground. आणि तुम्ही रिझल्ट पळयला आसतले, the way captain won, the people showed his love because that was a pulse. And Mr. Patkar knows what's the pulse. But he is very calculative. ताका सगळें खबर आसता. He is not someone who's just come new. Maybe he is just 4.5 years in the party. But his family, they were always in Congress from 1972. And he's a very smart. I have seen him. He's a very smart president, smart leader, very calculative. Amit Patkar जो लीडर जो आशिल्लो पळय तो सामको एग्रेसिव्ह लीडर आशिल्लो. जर ताणें कसलोय मुद्दो ताणें हातीन घेतलेलो जाल्यार he would make sure he reaches to the conclusion. SIR was one of it. जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान हो SIRचो प्रोसेस हाडलो तेन्ना खुबशे लोकांचे वोट्स डिलीट जाल्ले. आणि त्या टायमार खूपशे लोक जे आसा स्वतान पाटकराक अप्रोच करताले टू मेक शुअर दॅट द इश्यूज आर टेकन अप. अँड म्हाका दिसता आय थिंक ही हॅड ऑल्सो कम टू वास्को. ह्याच रवींद्र भवनान एक मोठो इश्यू घेतलो ताणें. अँड ही ऑल्सो विजिटेड द ECI ऑफिस इन पॅन्जिम many times and put pressure at that point in time. And at that point, I mean, we had accompanied him. And because of his undue pressure, तांच्यांनी एक window open केलो for extension, and that benefited a lot of people. So he played a vital role during this SIR process, and he stood by the people. He made sure that the trust people put in Congress president was not taken for granted. He made sure that he stands firm with the people and make sure that the trust that they put in him was worth it.